Welcome to my YouTube channel made in my GK. Let's get into the space quiz part 2. From where does the moons of Neptune got their names? The answer is goddesses of forest and ocean in Greek mythology. Which planet experiences the strongest wind? The answer is Neptune. Who is the first person to step on the moon? The answer is Neil Armstrong. Which space vehicle took Neil Armstrong and team to the moon? The answer is Apollo 11. Which year did human first step on the moon? The answer is 1969. Which is the first robotic spaceship to land on the moon? The answer is Luna 16. Who invented telescope? The answer is Hans Lippershey. Which telescope was launched by NASA in 1990 to study about different galaxies and stars? The answer is Hubble Space Telescope. What is the full form of NASA? The answer is National Aeronautic and Space Administration. Which Persian space scientist is the first person to observe a group of stars, Andromeda Galaxy, outside Milky Way Galaxy? The answer is Abdul Rahman al-Sufi. Which Polish scientist in the 16th century told that the earth revolves around the sun? The answer is Nicholas Copernicus. Which is the first woman to discover a comet? The answer is Caroline Herschel. Who discovered gravitational power? The answer is Isaac Newton. Which is the study of life in other planets? The answer is exobiology. Which scientist told that as the universe had a beginning, then it will also have an end and universe has no limits? The answer is Stephen Hawking. What is the name of Japan's space agency? The answer is JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. What is the name of Russia's space agency? The answer is Roscosmos. What is the name of Italy's space agency? The answer is ASI. Which is China's space agency? The answer is CNSA, Chinese National Space Agency. Which is India's space agency? The answer is ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Which is America's space agency? The answer is NASA. Which is the world's first space station? The answer is Salyut 1. Who is the first woman to go to space? The answer is Valentina Tereshkova. Who is known as father of space science? The answer is Carl Sagan. Who is the first man to go to space? The answer is Yuri Gagarin. Which is the first living thing to go to space in 1957? The answer is Laika. Who is the first American space traveler? The answer is Alan Shepard. Which space vehicle took Yuri Gagarin to space? The answer is Vostok 1. Which is the first person to walk in space? The answer is Alexei Leonov. Which is America's first space shuttle? The answer is Columbia. Who is known as father of American rocket science? The answer is Robert Hutchins Goddard. When was the Columbia Space Shuttle tragedy? The answer is February 1, 2003. What is the name for American space travelers? The answer is astronaut. What is the name for Russian space travelers? The answer is cosmonaut. What is Chinese space travelers known as? The answer is taikonauts. Who is the first person to die in space? The answer is Vladimir Komarov. Which is the first woman commander of International Space Station? The answer is Peggy Annette Whitson. Who is the person who had done spacewalk for the longest time? The answer is Anatoly Solovyev.